Today we're going on an animal adventure, and along the way, we'll get to know all our furry buddies of the animal kingdom. Let's go, buddies! Here we are at the zoo, the perfect place to find animals. Can you point to the giraffe? They're so tall and bright yellow. There it is! Great job, buddy! Let's go inside! Lions and tigers and bears, oh my! Can you find the lions? They go roar! Point to the lion. There you are, Mr. Lion, the king of the jungle. Now I'm looking for my favorite animal of all, the silly monkeys. People say they monkey around. Can you help me find the monkeys? Point to the monkeys. Hooray! That's 3 in a row. You're so smart, partner. And I bet we can find even more animals if we keep working together. Teamwork makes the dream work. Sometimes animals are so big, and sometimes they're super small. I'm looking for the little frog. Can you point to the froggy, buddy? Frogs are the color green. You got it! I love playing I Spy with you. We got one more in store. Almost there, best friend. Now, no day at the zoo would be complete without a big bear. Can you find the bear? Look for those bear necessities. Point to the bear, champ. There's the cuddly bear. Great job today, buddy. I'm so proud of you. And stick around, we've got so much more fun in the sun with sing-alongs and so much more, right here on Bratterman.